So for today's lesson, we will tackle all about atoms. So atoms are the basic building blocks of an ordinary matter, and it composes a positive charge, which we call as protons. And also, it consists of electrons, which consists of a negative charge. And lastly, we call this neutron, which consists no charge at all. So, according to Democritus, atoms came from the word atomus. So, this is the modern model of an atom. So, this second circle is what you call the electron cloud. And this is what you call the nucleus. And this positive charge is what you call the protons, and the remaining negative charges are the electrons.
So these were the persons who contributed their knowledge in atoms. First was John Dalton. John Dalton proposes that atoms are tiny solid balls. So the second one was J.J. Thomson, and he was the one who proposed the electron. And he says that atom was made up of smaller things. The third one was Ernest Rutherford. He was the one who proposed protons and nucleus. The fourth one was James Chadwick. He was the one who discovered neutrons and discovered particles with no charge. And the last one is Niels Bohr. Niels Bohr is the one who proposed electrons, which moves around the nucleus and specific layer or shells. And he's also the one who proposed the quantum mechanics of atom. Quantum mechanics of atom.
Our next lesson is about the modern periodic table of elements. Periodic table, also known as periodic table of elements, is a tabular display of chemical elements which are arranged by atomic number, electron configuration, and occurring chemical properties. Now, this is an example of periodic. Now, this is an example of element in periodic table. Here, on the upper left side, is the atomic number. Below the atomic number, you will see a letter, and that is the symbol. Below the symbol, you will see the element's name. And this is the electronic configuration. And lastly, on the upper right side, this is the atomic weight.
In this table, we will teach you how to get element, proton, electron, atomic number, atomic mass, and neutron.
First, we need to find the atomic number. When you are finding the atomic number, you need to subtract the atomic mass and the neutron. 59 minus 32 is 27. So to get the protons and electrons, it is the same in the atomic number. And when you find the
So for us to get the element, we need to find in the periodic table which is the element consisting of the atomic number of 27. So the 27th element is cobalt. Go.
So the 27th element is cobalt.
Another example is this. To find the atomic mass, you need to add neutron and atomic number. So when you add the neutron and atomic number, the answer is 84. To find the element, you need to look at the periodic table.
So for us to get the element, we will need to look at the periodic table and find the atomic number of 36. So that will be the krypton.
So the 36th element is krypton. As you can see in the given, it's AU200. So the 200 that will be your atomic mass.
And to get the atomic number, electrons, and protons, you will look at the periodic table of the elements. Au is 79. And to get the protons and electrons, it is the same. 79, 79. To get the neutron, you will subtract the atomic number and atomic mass. So that will be 121.